In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your Squarespace domain to Cloudflare pages. This is going to be the easiest and most simple step-by-step guide that you can follow, which will tell you how to do it in no fluff English. So what you need to do is go to Cloudflare and you'll be on the dashboard, right? Now go ahead and scroll down and go to Compute Workers, click Workers and Pages, and then you've probably already got a project deployed. This video won't show you how to deploy a project, it's going to show you how to connect a custom domain. What we do need though is for you to go to Visit and open up the project in a new window. As you can see, I've got a to-do list, so we need to record video, and this is a fully functional app. Now what we're going to do is we're going to connect a custom domain to this. So what we need to do is click inside of the project. So I'm going to go to do video, and then you'll be inside of the deployment. From here, go to custom domains, and there are basically a couple of steps that you need to do to get this all set up. So watch and copy what I do, and you'll have everything working in around 10 to 15 minutes. So first, open up Squarespace and find your domain. So I'm on domains.squarespace.com. I'm then going to go ahead and click on the three lines in the top right, then manage domains. Now I'm going to connect this one here, knowledgebasehowto.com. So all I'm going to do is copy it. So we will copy it from here. So once you've copied your domain, go to set up a custom domain and simply paste it in here. Then go and click continue and then begin DNS transfer. And we now need to enter in some DNS records. We need to enter in 2 DNS records actually. You can do this inside of Cloudflare very easily. So again, paste in your domain from Squarespace. Then you can choose quick scan for manual DNS records, but this just never works for me. I think it wants you to add them inside of Squarespace and then it will scan for them. But instead, we want to click manually enter DNS records, and we can then enter them in Cloudflare. So click on manual, then click continue, and then this will load up the window where you can choose a plan. Click on whatever plan you need. I'm going to choose the free plan. Now, after we've done that, we need to add 2 CNAME records. So go ahead and scroll down and click add record. So you can see that it is wanting you to enter these manually. And all you need to do is follow my instructions here. So click add record, type CNAME record. For the first one, in the name box, we're going to type www. And then for the target, you need the link to your existing website, which should already be deployed. So go ahead and copy that. For me, that is todovideo.pages.dev. We will paste that in, and I'll remove anything here that isn't the root URL. So we've got todovideo.pages.dev, todovideo.pages.dev. Keep proxy status enabled, then click save. Once you've done that, go ahead and click add record, and we are adding a CNAME record again, but for this time we want to type in @ and then for the target, paste in that exact same URL here, todovideo.pages.dev. Obviously yours will be different. It will be the URL to the project you deployed. Make sure that you have proxy status enabled again and then click save. And what we've done there is we've connected www.ourdomain.com and ourdomain.com to the content, which is going to be our app or website. Now we can continue to activation, and it's then going to take us to this next step, which is to connect the name servers. So what you need to do is log in to Squarespace, and we need to update the name servers. So to do this, we're going to go DNS, and then you need to go to domain name servers. Here we can use custom name servers, and it's going to ask you here for 2 name servers. You can go ahead and copy them from Cloudflare. So click copy on the first one, paste it in here, copy on the second one, and paste it in here, then click save. I hope you're all following along. This is very, very simple stuff. Now what we need to do once we've done that is simply click continue. Again, this is not rocket science. Now we just need to wait for the name servers to propagate. It can take up to 24 to even 48 hours in some cases, but just be patient. In my experience, I've done this probably like 8 different times for different domains now. It takes around 10 to 20 minutes. So just refresh the page every now and again until this says active up here at the top. You're waiting for this to go green and say active, then we can move to the next step. Okay, so it's been 5 minutes. Now we can see everything is active. All we need to do now is go back to the Cloudflare dashboard. Then we want to scroll down to compute workers, workers and pages, and then click on your deployment. Then go into custom domains again, then click set up custom domain, and you now have to just paste in your domain once more. So we'll copy this here, KnowledgeBase howto.com. You can paste that in, click continue, and it will take you to this window where it's going to say configure DNS. We've already added these DNS records, so we can go ahead and confirm and activate this. Okay, so now we've added the base domain. We need to do that once more, but with www.first. So type www.yourdomain.com, click continue, and then again activate the domain. It's doing exactly what we've done earlier. And there you go, you just need to wait for these to initialize, which may take 5-10 minutes. They're going to initialize, then you need to wait for it to verify as well. But keep refreshing until these are active as well. Okay, so after about 5 more minutes, they are both now active. All we can do now is test them. So copy the first one. We'll open up incognito, we'll paste it in, and you can see it's working. Then we'll do the second one, and this should be working as well. So if this video did help you out, please do leave a like and comment down below, and thank you for watching.